For an online business owner, embracing omni-channel selling is a must for business success. Meeting your customers at various touchpoints in their journey to a sale is key to getting them to fall in love with your brand, and social media platforms like Instagram are crucial touchpoints in this exploratory phase. 60% of Instagram's 1 billion users learn about new products through the platform, and 70% use it to research a brand. That's quite a bit of potential. Here, we'll give you tips on optimizing your Instagram feed for e-commerce success, as well as explaining why you should do so. Most businesses now use Instagram. There are over 25 million business accounts on the platform, and 75% of all US businesses have an account. Instagram opens up an exciting new channel for your products. With it, you can give customers a visual overview of them and find a way directly into their feeds with advertising that is timely and relevant to your customers. There are over 1 billion users active every month, and 22% of those log in at least once per day. On top of that, an Instagram shop can help open new business opportunities as your products are brought in front of a new audience. You can connect with customers, influencers, and more, and open up exciting new venues for product sales. 60% of users look for new products on Instagram, and IG users are the most likely to follow and engage with a brand on social media. Your Instagram doesn't just have to be a revenue generation point either. You can focus on building your audience and creating quality content too. That's the beauty of the platform. First, you'll need to make sure that you've set up a Facebook shop first, as your Instagram shopping sells through Facebook. If you're using our platform, Selz makes setting up and optimizing a Facebook shop easy. Just head to the Selz dashboard and you'll be taken through a number of steps that will help you create a functioning Facebook shop. For more assistance with Facebook shops, see our help documentation in the video description. Once you've gone through Facebook's process of setting up your store and listing your products, you'll be ready to start selling on Instagram. Here's what you'll need. You must have a Facebook shop set up and enabled. You'll need a product catalog as well. You need to have an Instagram business account, which you can do from the app by going to Switch to Business Account in your Instagram settings. You need to connect your Instagram business account and Facebook business page. Selz can make this part of the process easy too. Just connect to the Facebook integration from the Instagram tab in your Selz store, and you'll be able to see your product catalog within minutes. Making an Instagram post that you can sell from is easy, so much so that we wish it took longer so we could explain it a bit more. All you need to do is create a post, tap Tag Products, and tag up to 5 products for a single image, or 20 for a multi-image post. From there, your Facebook shop will do the rest. Make sure you're posting at the right time too. As a general rule of thumb, posting first thing in the morning, at lunchtime, and just before the workday ends are good strategies to ensure you're getting lots of eyes on your posts during the work week. The smart thing to do here is imagine your post coming up in a search. Users on Instagram use the search capabilities far more than other sites, so each post is an opportunity to take advantage of new, interested followers. Not every post has to have clickable shopping links. A good amount of variety is useful as you're going to be wanting to post 2 to 3 times a week, and your customers will get tired of a sales post every time. Incorporate all different types of content into your feed for maximum impact. Arby's is a great example of a brand that doesn't just focus on sales. They try to make fun content for their audience too. You can optimize your Instagram feed for success with a few simple tweaks. First, use those hashtags, but don't overdo it. See what's trending and how you can tap into the social pulse with trending hashtags and put your images in front of more customers. On top of that, coming up with a few branded hashtags for your products can help drive recognition. Drew Barrymore uses branded hashtags to maximum effect on her accounts, never overdoing it and making every post feel organic and lifelike, just like her brand. The second tip is easier. Make sure that your profile has an appropriate link. Many users will travel to your profile page, and you want to make sure that the profile link is going where you want it to, especially if you're running a promotion with a coupon code, linking to a landing page, or something similar. It's generally a good idea. Extended captions can be used for powerful interactive effects. Brittany Williams, a popular blogger, uses each bit of space on her feed to tell lengthier, more interactive stories about weight loss. Finally, Instagram's new Story Highlights feature allows you to make stories that stick around on your profile, and it can be a great way to collect and display user-generated content. UGC can show users that you're invested in the ways that they're trying to engage with you, and it can also give you a more organic vibe. UGC is essentially free marketing, so don't waste it. If you'd like to keep learning more about e-commerce, subscribe to our YouTube channel. and ask your Instagram shopping questions in the comments.